Alright guys, so yeah, I want to make a review of Alessandro Zamboni's Christmas deals. In fact, sold a lot of copies, over 500 copies, and got featured on Warrior Plus as the deal of the day. Yeah, so I want to review the product. I'm going to buy the product, so you're going to see the delivery inside, what you are getting, how it is. Actually, I've not bought it, but I want to buy it now. So I want to buy it and see, because I know it's a very good product. Actually, it's got zero refund. When I check on the affiliate page, I wanted to buy a product, one of the bundles. Super bundle from Brenda Mays has got 2% refund rates, and let's see, a lot of products have gotten refund rates, but I saw Christmas deals now has got 0%. You see, from Alessandro Zamboni, it's got 0% refund rate. So, and it's got about 500 plus sales, and it's downhill. You know, this conversion rate is actually high, about 15% conversion rates. So I think it's a great product from a great guy. Actually, he's actually a great guy. He has about 23 products already featured on Warrior Plus, and he's a top 5% of vendor. So I decided to go for his own product. So I want to buy his product and see. Yeah, he's the only one who has got no refund at all. No refund, 0%. Okay, 0% refund. These two products, but he's got more sales. So I'm going for his own Alessandro Zamboni's product. So it's now. I'm on the sales page right now, and I'm going to buy from my Warrior Plus, from my balance on Warrior Plus. So I'm going to buy from there. Let me check how much I have there. I have so many accounts, but this is just one of them. So let me see how much it's inside this account. So I'm going to buy Christmas deals right now. But before I make my purchase, I'm going to do a rundown review, what the product is all about, and how many products I'm getting for the price of one. It says grab all my 2019 premium products for the price, products with an exclusive 99% discount only for the Christmas season. So I think it's going to be a special deal. All these products in 2019 launch, so it's going to give it for just a one-time price. So I want to see how much I have left in my wallet, if I can actually use this account to make my purchase. So I want to see if I'm going to come back to that later. So let's just do a rundown review of what I'm getting. So the first product is Profit on Demand, and its promises are going to help me create the best wedding custom print on demand products. So I'm not interested in print on demand products. No, I don't need that. So I'm going to skip that. Dragons Coloring Pack, a collection of 20 ready to color dragons you can use for creating coloring books, activity books, journals, agendas, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and much more. Okay, this has the PLR rights, so I can actually buy this and then resell. At least I can get my money back just reselling this. That's one product I can actually get value from. So let me see Ugly Sweaters Empire. This product comes with a free template to create your first ugly sweater. I don't need a sweater, so I don't think I need to waste my time here. So I'm going to skip this. A video course to show you the website required, the steps you must take, and how to create stunning ugly sweaters that sells like hotcake. Well, I don't need sweaters to sell. I'm not interested in that. So I'm going to go to the next one, Budget Journal with PLR rights. So for having a PLR right, so I think this is something I can buy and I can need and resell. So it's a set of two journals, one for keeping track of budgets and the other to manage stocks. These two journals have been created with much care to give you a product that is ready to sell. Well, I think this is okay for me to purchase. Let me see. Okay, let me see how much I have in my wallet, if I can still purchase this product, if I can still buy. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my network. My network is kind of sucking. So I'm going to proceed to the next product, Cookbooks Empire 4 Kickstation. You discover how to create profitable cookbooks for kids in a snap with 7 highly lucrative and sacred genes I have researched for you. So that's over 6,800 recipes and a bonus book inside for kids nutrition. Well, I don't need that. So your life stories. You discover how to write your life stories and the overlooked method to sell thousands of copies to the public with my latest training. I think this is interesting. This is very interesting. Everyone has a story to tell, so I can actually buy this and see how I can carve out a good memo about a good memo book about myself or my autobiography, and then sell it out on I think Amazing or what, so I don't know, I think Amazing. So this is actually a good product I can buy as well. I think I've gotten 3 products I can invest in. Augmented reality empire is the product 7. Skyrocket your print on demand sales. Nope, I'm not into print on demand. I don't go into that line. So number 8 is the mindset empire. You discovered the missing ingredient to get online marketing success, and I needed 10 long years, blah blah blah, and then it gives me the real secret changes I needed to apply to my mindset to get incredible results in life and business and more earnings on a monthly basis. Right? I think this is the product I can actually check out. And then product number 9 is Children Books Empire. I have interest in that. Wow, but it's his best top seller course for 2019. So I'm going to actually get it and look into it because it's a complete step-by-step video series to help you create a solid business in Amazon. In Amazon. So let me see what's the next product. Birthday Empire. Yeah, Birthday Empire. And then product ideas empire. Yeah, I really need this. I need this. I do a lot of product launches on Warrior Plus, so I will definitely need to know how to get ideas on creating products fast, in 5 to 10 minutes, every day. Wow, to gather great news trends and information for your next products. So I think this is a great product for me to buy. Products ideas empire. I'll definitely need this, so I'm going to go for that. And then public domain empire. Wow, this is interesting. It's the most up-to-date guide about public domain with all the news you are searching for, and one of my best guides ever created. So this is a good product as well. And then I think there's one more too. Okay, oral short stories, niche empires. I think that's all. So all is going for $355, but I can get it today for just $17. So I'm going to go right now and click on the add a cart button and then make my purchase to get my own Christmas deal from Zamboni. Yeah, from Zamboni. So I'm going to purchase it right away. Let me see how much I have left in my wallet. I don't know why it's not trying to load. Okay, I have 18 in my balance. Okay, 18 in the balance right now. So I think I can buy this. So I'm going to purchase right now. Let me okay, so I'm back. I want to make my purchase, so I'm just going to click to accept the terms and condition. That sales is final and there is no refund. $17. Yes, I'm okay with that. So my name, and I want my purchase to be sent to this email right here. And so I'm going to pay with my Warrior Plus wallet because I have some balance here, 18.23. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on pay with Warrior Plus. Yes, so I've clicked on that. Let's see what's gonna pop up. Okay, it's checking out. It's checking out already. So there's a notification saying charge $17 to your Warrior Plus wallet. Yes, please charge this amount. So it's gonna charge me $17 for my wallet balance. So it's processing my order. I just need to be patient, and this could take up to 60 seconds. No problem. So I'm going to order and see what's inside in the delivery. So I might not be able to complete the video. I'm going to make a new video so you actually see it. If this is actually something you can get, so I'm going to drop a link for you to so you purchase it and make use of it. But I'm going to show you 15 products. You should be able to get one product that you can use for yourself, or you can actually rebrand and resell. That's just exact thing I do. I buy products, I rebrand, and then I sell it. That's what I do. Yes, I rebrand, I buy products, rebrand, and then resell. So you too can do that. Just look for deals like this. This is, a bundle deal for me on Christmas deals. It's still live. You can get it soon. Just click on you're gonna see a link below to get it, so you can get it as well. So I think this is okay. This is the deal. Okay, wow, all the one-time offers I released in 2019. Wow, this is bad ass marketing. No, I don't need the autos. I don't need the autos for now. So I'm going to go with only wow, this is a great deal. Auto 1 and Auto 2, Auto 1 and Auto 2 for all the products, also for a one-time price. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to head over to my downloads and check out my purchase. That's what I want. So I don't need to waste my time on this. Let's see what's going on. Okay, click on no thanks. Yep, I'm not buying the autos. I don't need it. I think it's cost $47. No, I don't need it for now. So I'm okay with the front end products. It's okay for me. It's gonna take me to auto 2 again. Well, that's normal for marketers. We need to, the money is in the funnel, as they usually say. So I'm just gonna get the first front end product, which is okay for me. But if you want the autos, you can actually go for them, purchase them, use them, and I'm sure you're going to make a lot of profits with it. So there's a link below. Click on that link. It's going to take you to Alessandro's Christmas deals offer. I know it's something you want. So it's saying Auto 2 now. It's on webinars, webinar trends. Okay, so I'm going to download them now, right now. Let's see. Discover the top 3 trends of 2020 to create products. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Yep, I don't need this as well. So I'm going to say no thanks as well. I think I might come back here later, so let me just copy this and then save it somewhere. I might purchase this later, so I'm going to put this somewhere. Let me see. So I'm going to purchase this later. So I've gotten the link. So let me just go to my delivery right now. So let me go to my delivery. Yeah, no thanks. So I'm okay with my products which I purchased. So that's all for now. In the next video, I'm going to show you, just check on the next video, I'm going to show you the delivery inside, what's the delivery inside, so you can make a decision before you actually make your purchase if you want the Christmas deals as well. I think it's closing today. Yeah, Christmas is actually closing on 31st, which is 31st 2019. Go click on the link below and then check if it's still available, and then if it's still available, make sure you grab it. You grab a copy, pick up a copy, and get to use it. So you can see I'm actually getting all these products, from Zamboni. So I can access my purchase right here, access my bonus right here. Okay, so I'm going to access my purchase right here. I'm going to click here. Okay, let me stop this recording, this video right here. So you see I made a purchase of $17. You can see I made a purchase. Thank you for the purchase. $17 for the products. So what else? I think nothing much. So I'm going to next video and I'm going to walk you through the delivery. Yeah, I'm going to walk you through the delivery so you see what's on the inside and how to take advantage of it. All right, so let me see what's up. Okay guys, yeah, so in the profit on the first products, and then dragons coloring pack, and then ugly sweater empire. So you can see I've showed you the link, so I know you're gonna zoom your PC and you're gonna get access to the download page. And I'm not going to just click on the link in this video, purchase the product and check it out yourself. Make sure you get it, and then it's going to be a lovely product. Now I'm giving you 3 products. You can actually get these 3 as a bonus from me purchasing this product, but you can go ahead and buy the whole products or the auto. If you, I'm going to drop the link to the autos, so you can actually go for the autos too. Yeah, you can go for the autos or whatever, any way you want it. So that's all about that, guys. So I'm going to see you on the other side. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.